Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel One and Only Pharmacy. So friends, in today's video we see some synonyms of important drugs of pharmacognosy subject. All categories were covered in today's video like alkaloids, glycosides, resins, tannins, volatile oils, all drugs and their synonyms. Let's see one by one. Name of drug and their synonyms. First category alkaloids. Drugs Naxomica, its synonym, Crowfic, Semen strychnine. Second, Physostigma, synonym, Calabar beans and Ordeal beans, Miss beans, Physostigma. Raulfia, Indian snake root or surfgandha. Vinca, Catharanthus, periwinkle, lady's thistle. Next, Curer, synonym, South American arrow poison. It's important, friends. Curer, synonym, South American arrow poison. Belladonna, deadly nightshade leaf. Next, the Datura herb, synonym, angel's trumpet. Hyoscyamus, synonym, henbane, nightshade leaf. Stramonium, synonym, thorn apple leaves. Stramonium. Duboisia, corkwood or cork tree. Next, cinchona, Jesuit's bark or Peruvian bark. Its synonym. Next, areca, a betel nut. Lobelia, synonym, Indian tobacco or asthma weed. Next, jaborundi, synonym, Pilocarpus. Next, Colchia ephedra, synonym, mahong. It's also important about ephedra synonym, ephedra mahong. Next, Colchicum, synonym, meadow saffron seeds or Ottoman crocus. Next, Cola, BC of gurugu seeds. Next, tea, synonym of tea is thea. Synonym of Veratrum viridi is American or green hellebore. Next, synonym of Veratrum album is European or white hellebore. Next, synonym of Kurchi is Holarina. Next, synonym of Ashwagandha is Vidania root, winter cherry or Indian ginseng. Next, synonym of Aconite is Bachnak or monk's food. Aconite or monk's food, it's important. Next, synonym of Wasaka is Adathoda adulsa or Malabar nut. Malabar nut. These are all are the category of alkaloids. Move to the next category. These are glycosides. First one drug is a synonym of rhubarb is Radix rea or rheum. Next, synonym of cascara is scaled bark, chitim bark, bearberry bark, and beerwood. Next, synonym of hypericum is stemmed John's wort, millepertuis, or goatweed. It's important, friends. Like stemmed John's wort is a synonym of hypericum. Next, synonym of aloes is musabar or kumari. Next, synonym of cochineal is crocus, a red scale insect. Next, digitalis purpurea. It's a synonym of foxglove leaves. Next, digitalis lanata, synonym, woolly foxglove leaves, Grecian foxglove, or Austrial digitalis, like Australophyr for lanata. Next, Thevetia, yellow oleander, trumpet flower, lucky nut tree. Thevetia, Indian squirrel, sea onion, European squirrel, white squirrel, or mere weasel. Next, Strophanthus, arrow poison, it's important. Strophanthus. Next, G. strophanthine, Aubain, Diascorea, yam, or rheumatism root. Synonym of licorice is Yasti. Synonym of ginseng is Ninjin, Panax, in Energophyte. Next, synonym of Senega is rattlesnake root. Synonym of Gokru is a puncture vine, Tribulus. Synonym of wild cherry bark is Virginian prune bark. Synonym of Visnega is Kella, pigtooth fruit. Synonym of Soralia is Bauchi. Synonym of chirata is East Indian balmani. Synonym of koshia is bitter wood. Synonym of kalmic is andrographis. These are also important. Kalmic, about kalmic synonym andrographis. Senega, rattlesnake root. Gokru, puncture vine or tubulus. Gokru is important drugs. And wild cherry bark is Virginian prune bark. And other is a strophanthus, synonym of arrow poison. Second category, next category, friends, we are covered two categories like alkaloids and glycosides. Here next category, terpenoids, in which we see some drugs. First one is a synonym of Gaultheria is betula oil or oil of wintergreen, betel Gaultheria. Synonym of Chenopodium is American wormseed oil. Synonym of eucalyptus is lemon gum tree. Synonym of lemon grass oil is Indian melissa oil. Synonym of peppermint oil is mentha colpermin. Synonym of caraway is carom, कारवी भी बोलते हैं उसको. Next, synonym of dill is anathum. Synonym of fennel is fruit of Phoenicolum. Synonym of nutmeg is Myristica nux moschata. Synonym of garlic is allium. Synonym of tulsi is scared basil, holy basil. Synonym of musk is Moschus casturi. Synonym of clove is Caryophyllum. Synonym of acorus is sweet flag and batch. Synonym of crocus is saffron. Next, resins. Fourth category. Synonym of capsicum is chilies, sandpaper, axion, myoton, and zostrix. Synonym of turmeric is Indian saffron. Synonym of asafoetida is devil's dung, food of the gods, asant. It's important. Asafoetida, devil dungs. Next, cannabis, synonym Indian hemp. Synonym of ipomoea is Orozaba jalaperoutes, Mexican scamini. Next, synonym of podophyllum is Himalayan may apple, mandrake's root, vegetable calomel. Next, synonym of benzoin is Loban, bitter almond oil, camphor. Next, synonym of myrrh is bole. Synonym of kugul is scented bdellium, commiphora. Next, synonym of colophony is rosin, amber resin, pine resin. Next, synonym of tolu balsam is Thomas balsam, Oppo balsam. Next, synonym of Peruvian balsam is Indian balsam, black balsam, China oil, Honduras balsam, Suriname balsam. It's four category over. Next one category, carbohydrates and its derived products. Let's see. First one is a isabgol. So its synonym of isabgol is Indian psyllium, plantain seed, fleece seed. Next, synonym of Indian gum is gum acacia. Synonym of Gower gum is Decorpa samsis gum, Burtonite V7A. Next, next synonym of Ragacanth is Tragacantha. Next, synonym of gum karaya is Indian Ragacanth, Sterculia gum, Kadaya, Catuloculu, Kutira, Mikaro. Next, synonym of agar is Japanese Insigliglas, vegetable gelatin, layer, Karen. Next, synonym of starch is amylum. Synonym of honey is male. Next category, tannins, in which first drug is amla. So synonym of amla is Indian gooseberry. Synonym of pale catechu is gambier. Pale catechu gambier, and amla is Indian gooseberry. Next, lipids. Synonym of castor oil is resinous oil. Synonym of chaul mogra oil is hydrocarpus oil, gynocadia oil. Synonym of linseed oil is flax seed oil. Synonym of kokum butter is mangosteen oil. Synonym of shark liver oil is oleum, selachoid. Synonym of cod liver oil is Oleum morris. Synonym of hydrous wool fat is lanolin or Adapts lane. So hydrous wool fat. Next, synonym of yellow beeswax is Sera flava. Synonym of lard is Adapts enzymes. Diastase synonym is amylase, and lysozyme synonym is muramidase. Next, natural pesticides. Synonym of pyrethrum is insect flowers. Synonym of neem is margosa. In minerals, its chart is very important about minerals. Chalk is whitening. Fuller's earth, synonym fluoridine. And synonym of kaolin is china clay or porcelain clay. It's important about kaolin. And next, Kaisulgar diatomaceous earth, Fuller's earth, fluoridine, and diatomaceous earth is a Kaisulgar. Next, talc, French chalk, synonym of French chalk, synonym. Fiber, sutures, and surgical dressing in which only one drugs. Oxidized cellulose, example, synonym pyroxylene. Oxidized cellulose, pyroxylene. So friends, in today's video we see lots of synonyms like alkaloids, glycosides, terpenoids, etc. First one we see alkaloids, many drugs, glycosides. So friends, please subscribe this video for such like videos, for short notes videos. We will meet in the next video with another one topics. Thank you.